Listen, when the humidity hits like a sledgehammer and your living room feels more like a sauna, you don't want a sales pitch. You want a machine that works. I am HVAC repair guy, and I spent years as a nuclear power electrician making sure critical systems stayed online. I also spent over 17 years in the HVAC industry. I've applied that same no-fail mindset to home cooling. Today we're putting two heavyweights in the ring, the Keystone KSTAW12CE and the LG LW1424RD. Both are standard window mount units, but under the hood they're playing different games. Starting with the build, these aren't those fancy U-shaped designs that let you open the window. These are traditional beefy window units designed for a secure, airtight fit. The Keystone is a 12,000 BTU unit that's perfect for your standard 550 square foot space. The LG LW1424RD is a step up in size, pushing 14,000 BTUs to cover up to 800 square feet. Both use a standard chassis, which means you need to be careful during installation to ensure they're seated right. Now, let's talk shop on efficiency. Both of these machines are running standard compressors with no inverters. That means they're all or nothing machines. When the thermostat calls for cooling, the compressor kicks on with a hard start and runs full tilt until the job is done. The Keystone pulls an EER of 12.0, while the LG sits just behind it at 11.9. In the real world, that's a negligible difference on your power bill, but the Keystone technically squeezes a bit more cooling out of every watt. Checking the market, you're looking at about $369 for the Keystone, while the LG is a bigger investment, usually landing around $569. You're paying that extra $200 for those extra 2,000 BTUs and a higher airflow rate. On the tech side, the Keystone actually punches above its weight with Wi-Fi and voice control. The LG LW1424RD keeps it old school. It's a solid performer, but it lacks that smart connectivity. Before we get to the winner, here's a pro tip from the field. Keep your filters clean. Both units have a check filter light. Don't ignore it, because a dirty filter chokes airflow and makes the unit work twice as hard. Also, make sure you have a slight tilt toward the outside during installation so the condensate drains properly. The warranty is where the tide turns. Keystone gives you a 1-year full warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty. The LG LW1424RD comes with a 1-year full warranty, but is backed by a 5-year compressor warranty. As a tech, I can tell you the compressor is the heart of the system and the most expensive part to fix. Having that extra 4 years of protection is a major vote of confidence from LG. So, who takes the trophy? If you've got a massive 800 square foot room, you need the LG's raw power. But for the average homeowner, the winner is the LG LW1424RD, because that 5-year compressor warranty is the deciding factor. In the field, we value reliability and longevity over gadgets every single time. It's built better for the long haul. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC for beginners.com.